Okay. So moving to the other side, the sixth grade students. Ensure bilingual program is implemented following the district recommended models to support students with language acquisition. Rationale: middle school reading scores dropped drastically, and negative growth was actually displayed on the MAP test. This is in part due to the fact that many ESL students are testing in English for the first time and are possibly not having enough English practice prior to entering middle school. Teachers will support all students in developing strong biliteracy skills through a gradual release model where students will practice independent work in their non-native language. Good. Okay. Breakdown: bilingual teachers provide balanced language instruction to help students master strong biliteracy skills by implementing the bilingual 50-50 model. And then it's in yellow, language of instruction is alternated within a 2-week cycle. So is that something we wanted to change? Yeah, I think it would also depend on, like, if you're doing a novel study, um, that could be difficult. You would need to have the novel in both English and Spanish in order to, switch off every week or every other, every day or whatever. So it can get kind of tricky with materials. But so do we want to just take the yellow highlighting off of that? Oh, okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Students will complete DOLs in primary language and will complete independent practice. It says independence. Independent practice in target language or language of instruction so that they may have an equal opportunity to practice and develop their non-dominant language. Good. Okay, bilingual teachers in all content areas will ensure that they have a dedicated time set in their schedule to bridge academic vocabulary. Okay, continue with school-wide writing in all content areas according to the school's language of the day. Okay, so all good on that one. So moving on to the next one. Hire a reading specialist to focus on reading. We have an instructional coach who is specialized in math, but our reading teachers need more support. So anything there? And I've noticed that Miss Aragine, he has sending a lot of emails. I didn't know if like she's been appointed to that position or she's going to be teaching and leading in that way, or I don't know. Okay. 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 So we will have someone. Okay. By having someone who is focusing specifically on supporting our reading teachers, our students will be more successful. Breakdown, the Reading CIC can implement strategies to have kids testing in English earlier through data tracking and teacher collaboration. CIC can gather instructional aids and materials to improve reading K-8. Okay, so all good there. Moving on to the next one, test students in English as soon as they are ready to pass instead of testing them in Spanish because they will score higher. Students are not transitioning to English because they are allowed to continue working in the language they are most comfortable in. So begin testing students in English once they are proficient enough to succeed, and each year teachers should evaluate who is ready to pass in English and switch those students over. Anything about the wording or anything there? Or maybe instead of test students in English, should we say like transition students to English testing? Okay. Or maybe as soon as they have demonstrated success or something like that, or demonstrated proficiency or something. Yes, because I think it's also reiterated in the rationale, so it's redundant. Okay, so students are not transitioning to English because they are allowed to continue working in the language they are most comfortable in. Okay, begin testing students in English once they are proficient enough to succeed. Each year, teachers should evaluate who is ready to pass in English and switch those students over. Okay, and then this that's in yellow, do we want to just delete all that because it had those percentages and stuff, so just wipe it out? Okay, okay, okay. And then take that out as well. And then I believe, unless there's anything else that we need to discuss, we can adjourn. So the video will be broken into two segments because it wouldn't let me do above 15 minutes, but I restarted it. And I will send the YouTube links to Penny and to Miss Wilborn. And I guess I can also put them in the CNA folder so that we have them. Okay, let me see if there's anything else in that folder that we need to update. So, Miss Williams, you had the minutes. Okay, we already altered the document. We did the sign-in sheet and the agenda. I already pre-filled it and just said that we would be discussing, just the action items today. So I think everything in there is done. So unless there's anything else we need to discuss, we can go ahead and adjourn. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. I will go ahead and save this and get it sent off. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.